Hi, Gary here with the Dad Venture. Short videos about what I'm learning about backpacking or bicycling or parenting, and today I'm going to talk about food on the trail with you and your youngster. So I'm taking off tomorrow morning with my 11-year-old son, and there's no resupply for 6 days of walking. So we have to carry all of the food in my backpack. Got it narrowed down to where we're walking with about a pound, a little less than 1.5 pounds per person per day. So all this food, it weighs about 16 pounds, which is a lot of food and it's a lot of weight, but we've got it as light as we possibly can. Let me walk you through what we're trying. At least this is what we're trying this time. It's kind of a food theory thing. Is in the mornings, it's cold in the morning, and especially the boy doesn't have enough body fat on him, so he's cold. We're just shivering. So rather than trying to cook oatmeal and trying to get all that, we're just gonna get out of camp as fast as we can. So we pack everything in our backpacks as quick as we can, tear the tent down in the backpack, grab some Pop-Tarts, and then just go. And then about 10:30 in the morning, when our bodies are warm and the earth is a little bit warmer, we will stop and have a proper breakfast, and then we'll just snack the rest of the day and then have a proper dinner. So let me run you through just the breakfasts and how do you keep variety for the kid on the trail. It's this: Pop-Tart, 2 bagels. So 2 of these bagels go over here for another day. So it's just Pop-Tart bagel, Pop-Tart bagels, Pop-Tarts. That handles all of our mornings. And then we add the variety to the oatmeal. So there's chocolate chips in a separate baggie inside here. So you cook the oatmeal first, then you pour in the chocolate chips, or you just end up with this chocolate slimy thing. So it's chocolate chips, dates are in it with here in this one, banana chips are in this one, dates are in this one again, and then blueberries are in this one. You probably notice right here, we actually have fruit one day, and then there's another day right here that we have fruit, just enough to keep mama happy. And so then it's just bars and jerky, and then the other day we're actually going to do those burritos again, and then we're going to do bars and jerky, and the next day burritos again, and then we're just snacking all afternoon, and then the evenings it just rolls out like this. This is chicken rice size and add some meat. This is couscous, and the boy gets cheesy couscous and some meat. And then we're adding some meat to one of these prepackaged meals. This is mac and cheese for the boy, which he loves it, and I'm getting couscous and we're adding meat to that. So he's getting tuna in this mac and cheese. And then this is just another rice side, an old rice side, just a buck, and then you add some meat to it, and then another one of these prepackaged things with that. And if you just look at it, we also have down here, this is actually, in case there's a day 7 that takes us a half day to get out to trail, we've got something for breakfast and we've got munchies, and we should be out of the trail by lunchtime no matter what. And then we'll probably still have some leftover yummy stuff like Sour Patch Kids. I hope that helps. If you've tried meal stuff with kids on trails before and you've learned something, or you have something, or you notice something I've missed, please comment in the section below. If you find video like this helpful to you, please like and subscribe and let some people know about, the Dad Venture. In fact, why don't you go have an adventure of your own? Go have fun.